Yeah, well, you know,
Quick and easy.
quick and easy. We'll get to these puppies. These joints just came out the other day.
Yeah.
And so we know
Yup.
that I'm gonna show with a max or a one.
I had a feeling it was either gonna be the Trini Air Force Ones or these.
And we'll discuss the West Indian Day joints in a second.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they call it the West Indies.
Yeah.
West Indies joint.
Yeah. So these
I'm glad you brought these through, son.
these are called the Dirty Jeans.
The Dirty Jeans.
And
Denim.
the Dirty Denim. I'm sorry.
Dirty
Denim. Yeah.
Dirty Denim.
Yeah.
Man, that's sweet. Whew, okay, all right, here we go.
Let's
get into it. So, first thing I noticed is the speckled soles.
They're doing that. I think they're staying with that.
Yeah.
So it's that.
This is not a move to zero.
No, just the
Pair?
speckle. Just speckle, I assume.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So these are not gum soles like I thought they were when I saw them online.
So did I.
thought-
I got them home, was like, those are speckled.
Yeah, so it's a gum sole look though.
Yeah.
So which still makes me happy because everyone knows I'm a gum sole junkie.
Kind of guy.
This is not even just off-white. This is like French vanilla.
Butter pecan.
Yo, that's French vanilla right there.
is.
So look at that color. This is borderline yellow.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And I thought it was more of a kind of like an off-white when I ordered them. I thought, well, maybe it may be an off-white or a cream. And then I got them. I opened up the box, and as you can see, the shoestrings are off-white / cream. That is
Right.
like a tinted, something that like was left in the sun too long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a worn
Yeah,
denim jean thread
absolutely.
type of color.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? The jeans that your dad got that he works in all the time, he refused to get rid of them joints.
Yeah.
That you know what I'm saying? That's the feel with that. And it matches the eyelet.
Yeah.
On the top shoestring joint. Yeah. These are tough, B. So, all right. So you have that, and then there's the midsole, same color on the inside of the air bubble, just the same, yellowy type of. Damn, it's the right word.
We got to come up with the color for that. I don't know what that is.
Yo,
but,
this is a dope color. I love what they did with that. And then you had this suede, and this is suede.
Yeah.
This suede all around on the mid, at the bottom of the mid. Oh, not almost all the way around. Because it's an Air Max, so it stops right there.
But then picks up on the heel.
Yeah,
Wraps.
yeah.
Right.
Picks up on the heel. And this is almost like it's blue, of course, but it almost like it has a hint of green.
It is.
Like an aqua kind of almost, but subtle,
It's-
soft, fall.
It's just dirty denim.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like you were saying in terms of the sole.
This is
But-
like the 70s
Yeah,
denim color, right?
yeah.
Damn, they did a great job
Yeah.
with these shits. These is tough. And that stitching is like a gray.
No,
Or
I
like
think
a
that's
off-white?
that's just a little darker
Than the shoestrings.
off-white than the shoestring. Yeah.
Yep. And then you get the a couple of shades of denim on the upper.
Yeah.
And
Two different, right? Because
Yeah,
like
two different
this
joints.
and this is one, and then that and that
yeah,
is one.
exactly.
Yeah.
And that one, the one here matches all the way through the tongue.
Yeah.
On the joints. And that royal blue, is just piercing through everything.
Yes, sir.
And then you get the royal blue stitching on the heel.
On the heel.
On the heel
It's a
part.
nice touch.
The Nike with the same type of color as the sole.
Yeah.
The Nike emblem on the back. Yes, indeed. This shit is tough.
Yeah.
I knew they was gonna be. So I look at these. I was like, Joe did come on my show with some shell toes once. I could get this. I could. Yo,
Right.
straight up. I was like, yo, these shit
Yeah.
is hard.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy with the sole. I'm not even gonna take that out just to keep that in place. And that electric, that royal blue. I want to say electric blue because it's kind of like the same color, really. Or is that a black made up color? Did we make up electric blue? You know we made up some colors.
We did.
Money green. Did we make
Money.
it up?
We did make a money green. That's us. You know what? Electric blue has to be us.
Electric blue's our shit. Come on.
It has to be us. We'll give that to Jadakiss.
Jadakiss.
The king of the color naming.
Same color as almond. So, and then just like nice satin around the tongue.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, I saw that shimmer just now.
Yeah,
the light hit it.
The satin is right there around the tongue, and it does the little eyelet. The little shoestring
loop,
tag.
Yeah. What is that called? Just a loop? Shoestring loop?
Yeah.
That satin. The Nike sign itself. Oh, that's a nubuck.
Like a nubuck, yeah.
That's a nubuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they did a great job of getting 3 different fabrics. The satin, whatever this is on the inside, and the nubuck to be the exact same color, electric blue.
Yeah. Yeah, they did. They crushed that.
Yeah. And the stitching.
Yep.
Right? Like that's, yeah.
Yeah, them tough, yo. Those hard.
Yeah, man.
Those hard right there. Yeah, like
Yeah.
that's nasty. Those nasty, man. Woo!
Yeah.
I wonder if you're gonna see anybody with those. I think people might stay away from them. You think?
You know what? Oddly enough, these were quite an easy release to get. These are the first. No, they're not the first. I've gotten some other joints. No, I think they may be the first sneaker I ever actually got on Sneaker app when it was actually released at 10 o'clock.
Oh, you got these. You won, or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
Not even one. It wasn't a raffle.
It wasn't.
Right?
No,
like
but I don't think there was a lot of people shooting for these, and it actually stayed available on Sneaker app for a little bit longer that day, which tells me.
Had them.
Yeah.
And they had them like the day after too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that.
But I was out of town.
Point. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, you was in Miami, right?
Yeah.
You make a good point though, because they were available the day because Ducky they posted like, we got your side. Like,
Yeah.
Type of thing.
So I think people kind of overlook these, and I think what's gonna happen is after they see me in the street with them, it's gonna change their mind
Oh man!
on what's possible with these. Because I'm capable of some fabulous level matching.
Yeah, no doubt. Yo,
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if you got a polo sweatsuit in mind, son, but that royal blue right there is stupid.
I'm working on a few things, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't push this guy, man. He's like, I don't know if y'all remember Ravishing Rick Rude from WWF. Joe will show up with some tights on with their wife's face printed on them.
Absolutely.
They match
because they match the sneakers. She shouldn't have wore that shade of lipstick that day.
She shouldn't have worn that.
I got some Barry Air Max 1s that match
man.
that shade. Yeah, man.
Hilarious, yo.